I'm Dr. Manmeet Batra. I'm a gynecologist and obstetrician, infertility expert, and gyne-cosmetologist. I work at Cloud9 Ludhiana. So today let's talk about incontinence. Many of the women feel that if they dribble some amount of urine while coughing or while sneezing or while just laughing, it is normal. It has been considered as a normal aging procedure. But no, that is absolutely false. It could be because of some anatomical defect which usually happens after the childbirth, and especially when your uterus is sagging. There is basically a disruption of the angle of the bladder, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. So women, it is not okay to be wet all the time. There are many safe procedures. And well, unfortunately, surgical procedures are the only answers for stress urinary incontinence. Well, we have to be very sure before performing a surgery that it is actually a case of stress urinary incontinence. And after confirming that, a surgery called Burch Colposuspension is very beneficial. What we do in the Burch Colposuspension is we correct the angulation which was being disturbed, and it has got a beautiful success rate, which can be up to 80-85% of the women. Provided a correct diagnosis was being made, the results are beautiful. Many of the times women are very apprehensive getting a surgery done and frequently asking what are the advantages of it? Why should we get it done? The answer is, if it is a correct diagnosis of stress urinary incontinence, after the surgery you can be very nicely continent. It is an amazing surgery, but on the contrary, every surgery has a risk. As we talked earlier also, there are various anesthetic complications. There can be certain erosions. Well, there could also be a chance that your symptoms are not being properly, you're not absolutely continent. So again, I would say that the success rate is very beautiful and the complications are not as much as the advantages are. So certainly, I would again stress upon the medications. The oral medications are not going to help you for the stress urinary incontinence. Burch Colposuspension has beautiful surgery with very less complications and which can fix your urinary incontinence very nicely.